Hello everyone. How are you? How is your day? I hope you're enjoying your day. So, do you want to make your Scratch character move, talk, hide, and change the costumes? So, in this video, I will teach you the motion and looks block that every beginners need to know. So, by the end of this video, you will be ready to create your own interactive Scratch project. Okay. So this is our second video in this series, which is like basics of Scratch beginner like 2026. So if you want how to log in into the Scratch, how to create your account, what are the basic thing in Scratch, you can watch our first video. If you want, I will give you link in the comment section or in description box or in I button you will get. So you can click on that. Okay. Today we are going to be explore these two blocks, which is motion and looks. Okay, so are you ready to get start? So it's very simple. Motion is something like if you want to move your sprite. For example, we have cat. I want to move this cat. For example, this is monkey. I wanted to move the monkey from here to here, here to here, here to here, anywhere. Motion means if you want to move any character from one place to another place, for that we will require the motion. And if you are a very new to Scratch, as you can see, this is your stage area, right? In the stage area only, we are getting the result. So whenever you want to move your character to the upside, that's your y-axis. This is our coordinate system. Okay, this is our y-axis, and you need to change positive value like +1, +2, any number but positive number, so that you are able to move to the upside. If you wanted to move to the downside, again this is your y-axis, you need to be changed the negative, like negative y, any number with negative sign, so that we are able to move to the downside. In the same way, in order to move either left or right, we have this x-axis. So, in order to move to the right side, you need to be changed the positive x. In order to move to the left side, you need to change the negative x. And this middle one will be your origin position, which is 0, comma 0. So you have to be remember this. Okay. Positive y is for up, negative y is for down, positive x is for right, negative x is for left. Okay. So that thing you will get inside this motion block. Next we have looks. Looks is like if you wanted to say something, so that block you will get in the say. If you wanted to switch the costume or if you wanted to change a backdrop, all that point you will get in the look. So we are going to be explore each and every block today itself. Okay, let me tell you. For example, you don't like the monkey, you can delete it. Let me add one more sprite. For example, I wanted to add this Abby. We added the Abby. Let me add one more background for Abby. For example, bedroom. Okay, we added the Abby. We added the bedroom. Now, what do we want? We wanted to move the Abby. But if you remember, if you watch the previous video, I told you in every Scratch program, if you wanted to check the result, for every Scratch program, we need to start with events. Event is like action. Suppose I wanted to run the project, like when I will click on flag, I wanted to do something. Okay, so for that, you need to add it. When flag is clicked, we need to go to motion. For example, I wanted to move the Abbey with 10 steps. Now, if you will run, as you can see, Abby is moving. Only 10 steps. Now, if you wanted to rotate the Abby, like for right degree with 15 degree angle. Now, as you can see, Abby is moving. If you want a left one, so you can use this left one. Now, what will happen? We added the right and left both the things. So it is equal to 0. If you want to go Abby to the random position, so you can use this random position. See, now Abby will move anywhere in your screen. That's a random call. Okay. So this is the use of motion. Suppose we wanted to move Abby to the particular position over here. Now, if I will take the Abby here, if I will run, Abby will move here. Why? Because we added one fixed position. Random means anywhere in the screen. Fixed means if you have a fixed location and you wanted to move your sprite to that particular location, for that you can use this fixed one. Now, suppose you wanted to glide. Glide means what? I can tell you. See, she's moving and you are able to see, yes, she's moving. To any random positions, she's moving as you can see. Now, suppose we wanted to move the Abby here. Let me take it. And now if I will take my Abby here, what will happen? Abby will going to be moved. See, she's moving to that particular position. That's all about glide. Okay. Suppose we wanted to move in one particular direction, like you wanted to go to the up. Up is like 0. If you want to go to the right, which is positive 90, lower is like 180, and this one is like minus 90. Okay. So as you can see, is changing her face position as you can see. Let me run it one more time. Okay. Then suppose if you will take this here, so you will get a this position. See? Okay. So that thing you will get inside the motion block. Okay. Let's talk about looks. Looks is like suppose I wanted Abby will say hello everyone to everyone. Hello everyone. Now what will happen? Once we will run the project, Abby will say hello everyone. Suppose you wanted to switch the costume. Costume is like we have a costume here. For first, you will get Abby. She's standing like this. For second one, it is like this. Third one is this. Fourth one is this. Okay. Suppose we want second one. B. Let me run it now. See, she's changing it, right? So you can change. Suppose we wanted to change bed like this backdrop. We want this garden. Now see, you are able to get the garden after that. Hello everyone and garden. Suppose you wanted to change the color effect. It's like bright one. Hello everyone. See, this is your changed color. So in this way, whatever suppose you wanted to clear your graphic effect, whatever effect you added, okay? So that thing you can do with the help of looks. So this is all about motion and looks block, okay? Suppose you wanted to create one animation with the help of this block, okay? How you can do that? It's very simple. You have to be select one sprite. For example, let me take this ballerina. Okay. You have to go to the events. Now I want when I will click on the flag, ballerina will glide to random position. Okay. And meanwhile, she will say hello, and we will try to change her backdrop, and we will try to change the color. Suppose this part. Now, if I will run, see, she is going, she is saying hello, and you are able to change the color, and you are getting this 25 time. So in this way you can try a small animation. Okay, in this way you can try to learn about motion block and looks block. So please try to create any small animation. Once you will finish, try to click on share button. Okay, and then you can share your project with me. Copy the link, copy this link, and you have to be come to the chat section, like your comment section. Okay, and please share your project link with me so that I will check it. And in the next session, in our next video, I'm going to be explain you about event and control and sensing. This three thing I'm going to be cover in our third video, which is our third video in this series. Okay, so please watch the first video, then watch this one, which is our second one, and tomorrow I'm going to be release the third one. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon if you want more latest updates. So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.